Hello viewers! Have you ever wondered what'll happen if you eat chia seeds every day? Ever thought of the health benefits of chia seeds? Did you know that eating chia seeds every day can keep the doctor away? In this video, Silva Guide will be showing you 5 health benefits that come with eating chia seeds every day. Trust me, you definitely don't want to miss this. Apart from being a good energy booster, did you know that a serving of chia seeds can boost your brain power? Before we continue, do you enjoy fun facts? Is living a healthy lifestyle a goal for you? We're here to make that dream come true while bringing to you all the fun facts you may need. So make sure you subscribe to our channel to get notified when we upload. You'll develop stronger bones. Chia seed is your bone's best friend. Oh yes, taking chia seeds every day reduces the risk of developing bone diseases thanks to its rich content in calcium. Due to the abundance of other minerals like manganese, magnesium, and phosphorus, chia seeds also play a big role in improving your dental health. Chia seeds boost your energy. If you want to boost your energy and improve productivity, keep calm and eat chia seeds. Chia seed is the bank of energy-boosting nutrients. This natural energy source contains B vitamins, iron, zinc, and magnesium, which provide energy to the body. According to research, athletes who eat chia seeds every day have more athletic endurance than those who don't. Wait, did you know that a glass of soaked chia seeds provides as much energy as most energy drinks? What are you waiting for to boost your energy today? Add chia seeds to your favorite smoothie to enjoy a day full of energy. You'll improve your digestion. With chia seeds in your daily diet, you won't need to worry about indigestion. Chia seeds contain high amounts of insoluble fibers that give you 100% of your daily requirement for dietary fiber. These fibers ensure that your digestive system is running smoothly by removing toxins while keeping your stomach full for a longer period. You'll lose weight. The high content of fiber in chia seeds plays a huge role in weight loss. I mean, the fiber in chia seeds makes you feel fuller for a longer period, decreasing your appetite and, in the process, helping you achieve your weight loss goal. Moreover, research has shown that regular consumption of chia seeds helps in burning belly fat and keeping your body in shape. You'll increase your brain power. Eating chia seeds can boost your brain power. In fact, it's recommended in the diet of school children. Chia seeds contain omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for the proper functioning of the brain. In addition to this, chia seeds also help to boost cognitive function, good memory, and improves your mood. Wait, are you suffering from depression? Add some chia seeds to your salad and watch your mood brighten up like the sun. Are you going to start eating chia seeds after watching this video? Which other health benefits of chia seeds do you know of? Let us know in the comments section. We're glad to hear from you. And if you enjoyed the video, remember to like, share, and subscribe to get more interesting videos like this one.